Hey, what's up YouTube traders? This is William from Variable Traders, and again I'm going to try something a little fun here. We're going to get straight into a recap, two trades, okay? One winner, one loser. And I'm going to share with you the entries and the exits, and I want you to tell me what I did, what my strategy was, what my risk was, what my profit target was. And you can use the indicators to help you figure that out. So I thought that'd be really fun for you to think through rather than to listen to me explain it, because you guys hear me explain things all the time. Setup, entry, stop, exit, okay? And then I want you to also think about what I'm feeling, okay? And maybe any different execution that maybe I didn't follow my plan, or maybe I changed my plan. All right, so let's get going with this. So MU, I'm gonna give you some time right now to think this through. So think about it. I'll give you 30 seconds. Okay, well, here's what I was thinking. I had daily looked strong, okay? I'm not going to short that stock unless I see something really, really weak, okay? 60-minute was breaking over the pre-market highs right here, and it bounced off the moving average. 15-minute bounced off the moving average. 5-minute, this was my main play. Pull, flag, at resistance, at support of these moving averages for a next leg up. 2-minute, holding the moving averages, bounce, 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 okay? 1 minute, all the moving averages are below. Okay, so this is my exact setup. Harmonious chart, all the moving averages below, trying to break through VWAP on a 5-minute flag potential. My stop was the area of this consolidation. Stop was right there. And this was my reward. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Picture perfect. Love it. This is what Andrew teaches. You could call it an A, B, C, D pattern. We've got my harmonious chart. We've got my bull flag breaking through VWAP. Heck yeah. Just note, this teeny little pullback I had to hold through. And if I was staring at the 1-minute chart here, be very mindful. You might have been scared to get stopped out, but I didn't care at all. I was not playing candle breaks in the slightest, all right? Now, what am I feeling on this? Well, it made another leg up, nowhere near testing my break even or a 5-minute low down here or this area of consolidation, so I could have hold, but I don't care. I did exactly what I wanted. Okay, now let's try Apple. I'm going to give you 30 seconds now. Remember this? Remember this? Playing the same setups? MU 5-minute, potential flag at support. Apple 5-minute, potential flag above support trying to break through VWAP. Same thing, right? I took these same things, and look, they were independent of each other, okay? This one worked out, this one did not work out, never broke high a day. So just note that. We want to play the same setups over and over and over again. All right, so what was I seeing? I saw, didn't look as strong, but still in a strong daily uptrend. 60-minute had already broken through these pre-market highs, right? And I got it a little bit extended, but that was okay. After this move, I was okay with getting extended. 15-minute, it was above everything. 5-minute, I had my bull flag above everything. Harmonious chart. 2-minute, I had this area of consolidation. I saw this A, B, C, ABCD potential. Okay, and then on the 1 minute, same thing. Above all the moving averages, we had that same ABCD pattern. We had the new highs, and it was holding VWAP. This is like super basic stuff, and this is what Andrew trades and teaches all the time. And here's the slight difference, right? Andrew, when he takes these, he would have probably partialed out somewhere here, right? I wanted to hold. So my stop, my original stop was this level right under 208.49, okay? That's where I put my stop, 208.49. That one was because the $0.50 and it was coinciding with VWAP, so I didn't need to wait for these breaks because it was a VWAP bounce. So I played that it hit VWAP, it's not gonna go back to VWAP, okay? There was my entry. There was my, stop. So this was my risk, and my reward was high of day. I would have started partialing out at high of day, and it hit 209, and it rejected it, okay? So now tell me this. How did I change my stop to here? Think about this for 1 second in case you didn't figure it out. My original stop was down here. What caused me to change it right here? Yeah, it was this new 5-minute low. I didn't like the new 5-minute low. Remember on this MU one? Didn't make a 5-minute low. You had to pull the flag and another leg up. Pull, flag, tried to make another leg up, got stopped out, or I changed my stop right here, not to break even, not to VWAP. This one was the new 5-minute low. And look, my original stop, it would have been hit right here at 208.49, but for other people who put their stops here, they wouldn't have been hit yet. But so that's how I had 1 winner, 1 loser, 3-1 on my winner, 1 break even on my loser. So I am completely thrilled. Not because of the outcome, but because I traded the charts exactly how I want to. And I hope you guys do too. And if you have any questions about that, please let me know. Thank you so much.